Thanks for joining us. I am Serenity, and this is my co-anchor Layla. We begin tonight with a developing story. Today, students from all over the school are meeting to talk about very important behavior expectation for success at school. These students are looking at one of the expectations that we have in the HOW today. We are going to discuss the O, which stands for Own Your Own Actions and Choices, and how we can show this part of the HOW on a field trip.
Is live with us a few students to ask how they own their actions and choices on a field trip.
How do you own your actions on a field trip?
Make good choices.
How do you own your actions on a field trip?
Be a good citizen.
How do you own your actions on a field trip?
By staying with your group.
Here's some examples.
Thank you. Now that we have learned how some students own their actions and choices on a field trip, we as a news team would like you to talk with your classmates about what you have learned.
We want you to focus on owning your own actions and choices on your next field trip. You've been watching PBIS TV News.
Goodbye and make it a great week, Coyotes.